Hello, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time of seeing my video, you're highly welcome. And if you've been here for a while, I want to say thank you for sticking around because it's been a long time, right? And I'm so sorry it took me this long to come back with another video. That's because this girl is a student and I'm always busy. I'm so sorry about that. I hope you understand. Okay, here we teach Forex to the simplest term. I'm also a learner. I learn Forex every day. So I feel like there are some people out there like me who are learning Forex. So I got this strategy and I came here to drop it. I'm going to show you how the strategy works. Then in my next video, I will show you how to apply them, the indicators to use. Now, there is this as you can see, these points where I'm marking red, this moving average. Whenever it hits to that point in boom, it means that the market is likely to fall. Whenever this particular moving average, this particular red moving average hits this point, it means that the market is going to fall, like it's going to sell, at least to some great extent. This place that I'm marking right now, it's likely to fall up to this moment or even fall beyond this moment, right? But hey, it doesn't come without its setbacks. What is forex without setbacks? There has to be setbacks, which is why I will always advise you, the first thing you do whenever you want to enter a market is to set your stop loss. Don't ever forget to set stop loss. Stop loss should be the first thing you set. Then you take your TP. But for me, TP is not necessarily important because I'm always watching my market. So anyhow, anywhere it gets to and I feel like, okay, I'm going to get out of here, I close the market. So that's why I said TP, which is take profit, is not really necessary for me. So, but stop loss is number one. Though I know that boom and crash doesn't really respect stop loss, right? It will always exceed your stop loss. Where you set it, it will always exceed it. But at least set the stop loss so that it will not leave you entirely. This is boom 300 and the lowest loss size is 1. Is the least loss size, unless you want to tweak it a little bit, but I'm using 1 standard loss size to test this particular strategy I found out. So as I was saying before, whenever the red moving average hits that point of 85 or 45 as the case may be, it means that the market is going to fall, is going to sell. All right, hey, whatever I'm teaching you here, I will advise you practice it very well in your demo before you go live. And the place of a strategy doesn't take the place of knowledge. No matter what you do, no matter the strategy they are teaching you, even if it's the best forex trader that is teaching you that strategy, you have to know forex in order to apply it. So if you don't know forex very well, you wouldn't know when to apply that particular strategy. I have analyzed the market and I've seen how it is going. I've seen the pattern, I've seen the candle pattern and the way the market is moving, the market's behavior. So that is why I had to enter, and it has given me $10, 60 something cents. And at this point, you can leave. We are not greedy here. When you get $10 out of a particular market, it's something. Analyze it again and try again. By the end of the day, you must have gotten more than enough for the day. So at this point, you can leave. In my next video, I'm going to tell you the indicators I used, how to use them, how to apply them, the colors and all, so that you can practice and see if it is will work for you. Then you apply it. Then when you apply it and it works for you, don't forget to come and comment and tell me how it goes. And for you watching here, if you are going to be trying it, type in the comment section, I'm going to be trying it, and feel free to ask me any question that you have. And thank you for always sticking around. Bye, see you in my next one.